Learning English, Intermediate Grammar, Non-Defining Relative Clauses. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating topic of non-defining relative clauses. Specifically, we will explore the usage of the word when to refer to specific times within these clauses. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the usage of when in non-defining relative clauses, let's quickly recap what non-defining relative clauses are. Non-defining relative clauses provide additional information about a noun or pronoun in a sentence, but they are not essential for understanding the main message. Instead, they offer extra details that can help clarify or add context to the main clause. For example, main clause, my sister, who is a doctor, loves to travel. Non-defining relative clause, my sister, who is a doctor, loves to travel. In the above example, the non-defining relative clause, who is a doctor, provides additional information about the noun, sister, but does not change the essential meaning of the sentence. Now, let's focus on how we can use the word when within non-defining relative clauses to refer to specific times. When is commonly used to indicate the time at which an event or action mentioned in the main clause occurs. It helps us provide further details about the timing of an event or action. Let's look at some examples to illustrate this. 1. Main clause, we had dinner together. Non-defining relative clause, we had dinner together when the sun set. In this example, the non-defining relative clause, when the sun set, provides additional information about the time when the dinner took place. 2. Main clause, Maria received the award. Non-defining relative clause, Maria received the award when she turned 21. Here, the non-defining relative clause, when she turned 21, specifies the time at which Maria received the award. Remember, when is used in non-defining relative clauses to indicate specific times, and it can be a useful tool to provide more precise details about the timing of events or actions. Now, let's briefly discuss the punctuation and structure of non-defining relative clauses with when for times. When introducing a non-defining relative clause, we usually use commas before and after the clause to separate it from the main clause. This helps to indicate that the information provided is additional and not essential to the main message. For example, main clause, John arrived late to the party. Non-defining relative clause, John arrived late to the party when everyone was already dancing. In this example, the commas before and after the non-defining relative clause, when everyone was already dancing, highlight that the clause is providing extra information about the timing of John's late arrival. That brings us to the end of this video on non-defining relative clauses and the usage of when for times. We hope this lesson has helped you understand how to use when within non-defining relative clauses to indicate specific times. Remember, non-defining relative clauses provide extra details about a noun or pronoun, but they are not essential for understanding the main message. Using when in these clauses can help you provide more precise information about the timing of events or actions. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next